Good morning, another sunny day here in Florida. We're doing a solar installation today also, and let me show you guys how the installation process goes. Basically, the guys go to the roof and they install the structure, which are the iron rich structure attached to the roof, and then after they have completed that part, they will be installing the inverters, and after installing the inverters, they will be installing the panels. So installing today, beautiful panels, black over black. These ones are the Q cells, 400 watts each, and then we have the solar edge optimizers, and then the inverter is going to be a single phase inverter with HD wave technology from Solar Edge. It's just part of the conduit and all the equipment that we have here in place. It's a sunny day here in Florida. We have more than 95 degrees, and I'm going to jump in the roof to show you how everything is attached to the roof. Everything else goes inside the rail, and each optimizer will be connected independently on a series connection.